gwegwa. Ikata mawewe. Se me na Frank Victor. Uriye menita. Prophet Atiti uriye menita. Ti Frank Victor muwe problem ne. When you turn on Prophet Atiti, uriye menita. Ita mawewe se we Frank Victor. Frank, ide mawewe ze no we ulo efe Frankie eze ubegeze na low pa ubegeze na Frank mawe say eze na nimeje na all low pa because you are a very useless animal. Ubegeze na Frank ubegeze na eze na all low ebe no atase we wa defi eze ebe no atase. Imagine a Prophet Atiti na obiere no life single life ire obiere we single life in elele na no be better life. God bless you my brother. A Prophet Atiti ni life in ye live na only life in other way a single life in make sense. Obiere we guy of the time no guy yo wo a Frankie wala just one insulted the woman or who was a Prophet Atiti who we just one insulted again na a Frank where can Atiti we gwegwa. Where Atiti we gwegwa we case one insult again now. Frank. We case one insult Asaboro London. You know call Atiti say this guy one insult her. Who wala the live video. Anybody you can insult anybody you see, Frank. You cannot insult anybody you see. You think nobody will talk to you. You think nobody will ask you. Frank. Hey. Spiritual ho-ho. On a day you want some spiritual ho-ho. When you turn on spiritual ho-ho, now when you want Prophet Atiti, you want to agnoria. You want to spoil that poor man. You want to spoil his brain. Go here now. We are here now. We sagalele ya. No. Ever you complain. What the table no ho. A man in I kaba we table no ho. Beg agbo the men here. Only you want. Now they insult women. No. They don't have that joy. Say Prophet Atiti don't join you. They insult women. Prophet Atiti, if you dey see message, no they played my message. Oh, you understand me, so Prophet Atiti. I don't even want you say Frank is not your friend. You dey hear me? I don't even want you, Prophet Atiti, say Frank is not your friend. I want to talk to you. They don't spoil Frank for spiritual rain. Prophet Atiti, they don't spoil Frank for spiritual rain. I'm wearing an Emma Coco Tiebole Frank or affected Frank. Prophet Atiti when metabu na abu emere prophet maybe he. You know say me na your prophet. And they tell you something Atiti, they take. No they saga people again. Leave some people alone. May you start better like Prophet Atiti. You know my personal person. Frank, they use you till they do rubbish. Frank, they use you till they do rubbish. Okay, imagine now. See woman where you see now. Where be say your spirit just see the catch the woman. You never know how tomorrow won't be now. Frank, they disgrace the girl, say the girl not get document. Even you never get document. You see what Frank they talk about that video? So if I tell you, I say Frank, they possess. More they believe me. Frank is possessed. Anybody when they talk to Frank, you know they waste time. Frank is spiritually possessed. Now they hear me so? Frank is spiritually possessed. For real, see if una feel say what they talk, I don't make sense, or I don't know what they talk. Una go see am with time. Frank is possessed. Frank is spiritually possessed. Imagine only you go friend woman for us, you go for wait for because talk about live video. Small pikin go to that kati. Omo ne here we gbenu we uni. Okay now, ovie Atiti mi oko no we like. Ovie gayo, wa we la the live video, wa we rinu yari yan wa we condemn ya. Wa condemn ya okay, they get in we amie ke we Atiti na. They get in we amie from Victor where they carry Atiti, drag Atiti lele a devilish level here. Atiti, you be man, you not be woman or Atiti, you be man. You senior Frank. You senior Frank, Atiti. Frank not gonna use your hair like a momo. Prophet Atiti, you hear they tell you so. You senior Frank. The way Frank they use you, are they shame. Are they shame. You don't know what tomorrow want to talk. Whether that girl will come fall in love with you now, you don't know. Now, Prophet Frank, you come out, they saw the girl. I put my bad video on the Frank, he saw Asaboro. When me Frank Atiti, when me a video the Frank ya insult Asaboro, when me bury the video. May you see the way Frank they insult that girl, say the girl don't get paper, you not get paper, who want marry that kind of for her? Frank, you show out your girlfriend, most see whether if fair pass that girl. Frank, show out your girlfriend when my girlfriend do well at Jane, we are begging, Tobo says Asaboro. Asaboro or any so again or Zebo so or Ze. Don't know when a girlfriend Frank. You get girlfriend? Frank, you get girlfriend, you get girlfriend. You get girlfriend, Frank, you get girlfriend. Yes, now, Frank, they saw the lady. Now, never see the video where Frank they saw the lady. When I go watch her now, Frank, they saw that lady, which is not the best. Okay, now, the lady come out now. You see, they suggest, whether I go like the man, or you see, the baby, the girl, they try, they suggest. Frank, don't they see and say, Atiti want come out for single life. Atiti want better, he wants a better life. Frank the fair one for distract it finish. Because a man Atiti don't see your bad saga minister. Your bad saga don't your bad teboniku, your bad tebone, na. A man your bad. So all no see Atiti legbe. Atiti na the last video what they do for your matter be this. Atiti na the last video what they do for your matter be this. If you like you take, if you like not take. Now the last video, now maybe young prophet, Don Prince. Okay, don't worry, my brother. You can ladian. Another way ladian. Now you need to be Frank spirit. Frank, can you reaje? Enikawa have your born when you attach. When you have severe do koto. When you have this top do. When you have this top do Frank. Enikawa see where koto. No, no, where now? Have your lele. Where be my own personal person. One of us wants to have no gear. Now we are posting video. Have you let with my own personal person now? Who have a ring with you? So that no make na saga who go have no gear. Why pushing your near saga being? Ya go have a my person. Ya in here not dropping matia. Ya in have a not dropping matter no give. I will go. If we are move, Frank. If we are move, Frank. Even a test if we are moving, yeah, in your village. Not try, not drop a matter of a no give a Frank. If we are money do, and when my hair saga be man. Money do, and when my hair saga be man, we will be beneath. We know the saga ourselves and here because why? Frank, as you they possess, that's how your pa, your mother possess, that's how your family they possess. All of them will start to they possess, they will possess till they die, till they confess. If Frankie Waladian. Ou as one sorte ou one say well no. Oh man, Frank, Atitina gele also we. If Atitina is your friend, Frank. Now before you start to the insult Asaboro, now your duty to call Atiti, or now you Atiti got a planner. Or now you Atiti got a plan when they insult Asaboro. I know say Atiti no follow plan these things. Yeah. Atiti wa roge here u ya ki ozuo. U do be ya ki ozuo. Atiti can never join you plan this thing similar called the insult person where you go baffle for. Person where they crush for. Person where Atiti they crush for. Atiti you go say okay now. We want to know the reason You know, you get the way the matter be now. You get the way the matter be where be say you come out. They insult Asaboro. What did Asaboro do you? What did Asaboro do you? What did the poor lady do you? That woman, and they watch her video, she know the insult person, she they do her own thing majestically. You hear me so? She they do her own thing majestically. Okay, now you come out from nowhere, Frank. Now Asaboro you want the insult. Now Asaboro now you don't they pay you now say you want Atiti don't they gain more level. Prophet Atiti, Alerun Baba. Alerun! Prophet Atiti, or Sedan Yanirek no sabo akbele ya kwa life you. Prophet Atiti, tra, edi akbe, Alerun. Uwe, area ya no roba, or say ya no ya no, or say ya no me. No sabo akbele ya yourself, don't worry. Because Frank is never your friend. Frank is never your friend. Okay, since then now, Frank never give friend one better woman, may he give you, may you take day. Now only you man search for better woman when you visit day. Now Frank come out with live video, they saw that woman. That one are your friend. Atiti, that one are your friend. Or see when you hear. Atiti, are they shame for you, for real, are they shame? When be say, oh you, small pikin, what can they use your head? Who be Frank? Frank will be small pikin will be say never get sense. Frank will not get sense. Common sense Frank not get. I dey observe how it is way. He dey behave like the person who never reach 30 years. Frank dey behave like who never ever reach 30 years. Now let you go fuck woman. The way you take fuck woman, you start to talk about live video. Eh? Imagine the kind of girl wey wan friend Frank. Imagine the kind of woman wey wan date Frank. That woman, I go to Sagara. The woman wey wan date Frank, I go to Saga that woman. Imagine. You come out, they come out, you call a zoo for social media all the time. Oh, no, c'est problème, il vient d'eau. Il vient d'eau. Oh, c'est problème, il y a. Oh, c'est problème, il y a. Des gars, nous bien Frank. Il vient gros, où tu es bon, il vient gros. Il y a, tu as watché la vidéo, Frank. Mais tu es bon, il vient gros. Pas pour il vient d'eau, nous tu es bon. Les azars, on a bijoué. Les azars, on a bijoué, Frank. Il y a oui joué, roune. Oh, roule là, Amy. Amy, no, J. Amy, mais y'a quoi, vous Emi ni jouer je Frank. Emi me yakuwe. Emi ni raje. Emi me yakuwe. Emi ni aje. Agbiwe yan hiwo do. Because wo wo na we webo. Eri wo be wo wa otena. Wo wo na we webo. Eri wo be wo wa otena Frank Victor.